Making a garden bench. Video 1. Begin by getting some material from the instructor and using chalk lay out the rough lengths of your stretcher and your 4 verticals. At this point, we're going to make rough crosscuts, which means our pieces are going to be longer and wider than our final dimensions. Now let's go to the surface planer and mill our material to a final thickness indicated on your plans. Get your stretching board and on the 4 corners of your stretcher, mark an X and drill a countersunk clear hole. We're going to use these holes to attach this board down to the CNC tabletop. Use a straight edge and line it up from the 2 corners. Use a pencil and mark an X in the center of your stretcher board. We're going to use this X to zero the X and Y coordinates on the CNC router, but more on that later. Using dial calipers, measure the thickness of your material. Take multiple measurements along the length of the board, understanding that a lot of times the board can be a different thickness from one end to the other. Write your thickest measurement on the face of your material. Time now to get the instructor. We're going to use a cordless drill and 2-inch screws to screw the stretcher board down to the CNC tabletop, making sure the measurement of the thickness of your material and the X is facing up. We're going to let the CNC cut our angled dados and the outside edge of our stretcher board. We're going to show you how to zero the X, Y, and Z coordinates of this machine and how to create a toolpath from a drawing. Now, get your plans, some material from the instructor. Let's get back in the shop and let's get back to building.